Go to the website domain.digitalplat.org, click on the Register a Domain button, then select Create a New Account. Fill out the form. No payment or card information is required. One important thing when entering your phone number, use this format plus country code - your number. You will now receive a verification code in your email. Use it to verify your account. After that, you can log in with your account. For some reason, you will also need a GitHub account. Log in with GitHub to connect your account. It should now redirect you to your profile. Next, click on the Register menu to get your free domain. You will have one free domain slot. us.kg and xx.kg are paid options, so you can choose any other domain for free. Enter your desired domain name, tick the checkbox to agree to all terms and conditions, and then click Check Availability. If the domain is available, you can go ahead and register it. It will be yours. You can either enter your desired name servers now or update them later if needed. You now have your free domain. That's it for today's 2-Minute Will Do series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.